Welcome back to the Pink Hub. Today, we will learn a very important skill: how to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. Today, we will learn how to start thinking in English. Thinking in English helps you speak faster and more fluently. Let's practice some simple tips together. Tip 1. Label your world. First, try to name the objects around you in English. Name the objects around you in English. When you see a chair, don't translate. Just think, chair. When you see a chair, just think, chair. When you see a car, think, car. When you see a car, think, car. This builds a direct connection between the object and the English word. Tip 2. Use simple sentences. Second, use very simple sentences for your daily actions. Use simple sentences for your daily actions. Instead of translating a long thought, say, I am hungry. Say, I am hungry. Or say, it is a sunny day. Say, it is a sunny day. Keep it simple, and your brain will start to follow. Tip 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. The most important thing is to keep speaking and keep practicing. The most important thing is to keep practicing. Thinking in English takes time, but you can do it with daily practice. You can do it with daily practice. Thank you for joining the Pink Hub today. We help you turn your passive English into active fluency. Did you think in English today? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe to start speaking with confidence today. See you next time. Bye.